Audi's newest electric model is its most mainstream yet. The Q4 e-tron and its Sportback stablemate are smaller and more affordable than the e-tron SUV and e-tron GT sedan, being based on the same MEB platform as the Volkswagen ID.4 electric crossover. Audi says the Q4 e-tron will start at around $45,000 when it goes on sale in the US by the end of 2021. A 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment display is standard, as is a 10.3-inch digital gauge cluster screen. There's also an augmented reality head-up display available that projects moving icons for navigation onto the windshield. A conventional round steering wheel is standard, and a more squared-off wheel with a flat top and bottom is optional. The Q4 e-tron is shaping up to be an appealing alternative to the ID.4, especially considering that the more down-market Volkswagen starting price is only a few $1,000s less. Expect the Sportback version to command a slight price premium, as is the case with the larger e-tron and e-tron Sportback. The interior is a technological showcase for Audi's latest and greatest gadgets. The Q4 e-tron's cabin is similar to what's available in other Audis, and also incorporates a few unique features, such as a squared-off steering wheel with touch-sensitive controls and a toggle-switch gear selector. Although the Q4 e-tron concept was shown strictly as a 4-seater, the production version will offer seating for 5. The interior's passenger space should be about the same as the gas-powered Q5's. Cargo space isn't as generous, however. The Q4 e-tron will have the latest version of Audi's MMI system. A 10.3-inch digital gauge display is standard, and a large 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen is angled toward the driver for easier access to its various menus and features. Audi will also offer a head-up display with an augmented reality feature that can project information such as navigation instructions or driver assistance warnings in the driver's eye line. We expect a Wi-Fi hotspot and wireless charging for compatible smartphones will also be on offer. The Q4 e-tron will allow for fast charging capability of up to 125 kilowatts, and Audi says it expects to offer some amount of free charging at the VW Group's Electrify America charging stations. Paddles on the steering wheel will allow the driver to adjust the level of regenerative braking that kicks in when you let off the gas pedal.